Hi guys. Yeah, another little review. This time it's this place. Very popular apparently. Yeah. So we're gonna have a look. Another one, yeah guys, Philippine. For you Filipino guys and all the Filipino guys and girls who are missing home. Yeah, we'll have a look at this place. Let's have a look. Hello, how you doing? All right, good. I've been recommended to come here. I've been told that the Ooh-Beh Martini is supposed to be very good.
Yes.
That's what I've been told.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you think it's good?
I think so.
You sure?
Yes.
There you go.
It's one of my favorites.
One of your favorites. See, they are. This lady's telling us one of her favorites. So, should I try one? Yeah, I'll take a seat. I'll take a seat and I'll try one. All right. About here. So we're going to try this. And yeah, this young lady's going to make one for me in this Filipino restaurant. So this is a new first for me. Devshot, something different, something new, something fresh every time. So for you Filipinos, I've been told by one of my viewers to come and check this place out, and we're going to have a little look and see what's going on. What would you recommend?
I mean, this Ooh-Beh ensaymada is one of like our most popular ones.
This one here?
Yeah, this popular.
Okay.
And then you've got the classic ensaymada, which is cream and cheese on top as well. So that's also very good.
Right. What would you recommend to go with it?
For the Ooh-Beh Martini.
Yeah.
So maybe
I'll try that.
one of those.
So we'll have one of those and we'll have a Ooh-Beh Martini.
Yeah, where is
There
it?
you go. All right. So we're going to have a little martini. Why not? Check out this place. Very popular amongst the Filipino people. So if you're missing home and you want to be in London, you want to try a new Filipino place, this is it. And they've got all different types of stuff. Devshot's going to try it out today for you. So once again, we'll have a look. There it is in the back. And try out. They've got all the breads, bakeries, everything here, all displayed for you to try out. So Devshot is bringing you something yet again, something different for you Filipino guys, and we're going to try it, review it, and let you know what it's like. So yeah, here we have it. So how do you pronounce it?
Ooh-Beh Martini.
There you go. And this gentleman's going to make it for me, I've been told, and I'm going to try it out. There you go. This is something that's recommended.
That's the Ooh-Beh flavor.
That's the Ooh-Beh flavor. There you go. Ooh.
That's the coconut cream.
Takes very, very care and passion in what he's doing. Look at this guy. So, Devshot's going to try an Ooh-Beh Martini made for me. Ooh.
Done yet?
So we always try something different, something new, something fresh, made just for me. And she's got it there. There she is, bringing it over for me. Thank you. And I'll try the other cake in there. There you go. So this is it. This is what they rave about. And Devshot's going to try it. and tell you what it's like. Here we go. I'm telling you, that is lovely. Ooh-Beh Martini, unbelievable. That is something special. So there you have it. We're trying it. This is lovely. So I'm waiting for it to come. So what is this?
This is the Ooh-Beh ensaymada.
Ooh-Beh.
Ooh-Beh ensaymada.
There you go. We're going to have that. Thank you so much. Thank you. And we're going to try this. And I'm going to be Ooh-Beh mansada cake. And we have the Martini. And Devshot's going to try both of them. As you can see, I'm thoroughly enjoying this. This is so good. Honestly. This is so good. You get a chance, you come into London, I'll put the links in the description of where I am, and what I've tried. You must check this out. Unbelievable. That is a serious martini. Lovely. Creamy. Oh, beautiful. And now I'm going to pay this young lady. There you go. So, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Yes, please. So, thoroughly enjoyed it. And we'll come again. Thank you. And you. There's the kitchens. All the guys, look at them cooking, grilling everything up. So you've got to come here and try your food. Look at that. He's preparing a lovely dish. This is it. So all the chefs, all preparing lovely food. How you doing, guys? Filipino food, because if you're missing home, come and check this place out. Absolutely stunning, lovely. Once again, all the chefs. Bye-bye, chefs. Bye, bye, bye. There they are. Say goodbye to them all. All these guys preparing, all cooking. Look at that. Lovely boxes. All the boxes with the food. The chicken is all flaming up. All nice. It's all done. All presented well. Lovely staff. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. And thanks a lot for your help. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. There she goes. There you go. So there you have it. Devshot reviews. Again, another place, Filipino restaurant. Come here, get your boxes, lunch. So I stopped and I tried the drink. Definitely going to try it out. Here's one of the street carts, as you can see. So Devshot brings you something new, something different, something fresh. I keep saying it. Subscribe and I'll show you something different all the time. Yeah? So this is it. And there's the stab. That's the name. That's the place. So yeah, check it out. Wonderful. So that was it. Another review done from another lovely establishment in London. I'll put the links and the descriptions to this place, where it is. Come and check it out and have your lunch. Wonderful. Bye-bye.